I'm literally gonna cry. I just deleted the video and I literally just went off. I literally explained my whole situation. I really have to do it again. I'm literally, oh my god. Okay, let's start over. Let's redo this entire video because I'm Hey guys, it's Steph. So yes, you read the title correctly. Sis got a new phone. I filmed this entire thing, was just getting ready to set up the phone, and I deleted the entire clip of when I filmed all this. So, love refilming. That clip was good content. Pretty much, I really needed a new phone. I'm not trying to be like some like rich buffalo, but I really did need a new phone. I'm just gonna explain like some reasons why. I currently have the iPhone 7 Plus in 256 gigabytes and in gold, which is disgusting. This phone, great phone, did me well for a long time. I've had this for over 3 years, but not actually though, because let me explain for a sec. So I got my first iPhone 7 Plus 3 years ago as of yesterday. I had it for 2 years. I had to get the screen replaced twice from like some sketchy like mall places. And then the camera broke. So I was like, all right, Sis is a YouTuber. Sis can't have a broken camera. So I went to the Verizon store. They were like, you can either upgrade to the XR, it just got really dark, or you can get like a refurbished phone for 200 bucks. So I got this baby for 200 bucks. My father was like, I'm not buying a new phone, see ya. So I got this, and then a bunch of issues started going on with this one. This little phone is very messed up. Let's go through the list of things that are messed up with it. The vibrate. This was the first thing that kind of like went wrong with this phone. It sounds like I'm getting shot up. It's getting really bright again. Because when the vibrate's on, this is what it sounds like. Oh my god, stop. Cute. The next thing that broke down on this little handy iPhone 7 Plus is the home button. It like makes weird sounds. So yes, the home button's a little aggravating. But the next thing that broke down on my phone was the screen. So I was walking through like my little grocery store. I was bending down to get dairy-free ice cream because that stuff is always on the bottom shelf. There was like this little like black line, but over time it literally has grown like the freaking exponential growth charts. And now it's to the point where like I can't text, can't see Snapchats, anything like that. This is what my screen always looks like. This little like turtle dude. I've heard it all. I've heard Pokemon, swan, whale, dolphin, kangaroo with a baby in his pouch. I don't really know. The thing that really made me get a new phone was the screen. Would you like to take a little gander, a little gaze? Sis has lines on it because I dropped it. Ooh, I dropped it in the kitchen, which was kind of my own fault again. But all these lines always show up. My background's supposed to be black and it looks like it's like freaking pinstriped. So yes, long story short, I did really need a new phone. I've had the iPhone 7 for like 3 years and I was kind of just over it and I was ready for a little upgrade. The iPhone comes with headphones, which Sis will not be using because Sis is part of the AirPod gang. A lightning cable it comes with. Okay, when I purchased this phone, I was really debating whether I should get the black or the red or the purple because yellow and green literally make me want to barf. I'm not even gonna like apologize for saying that. I'm not really a huge fan of them. I love the XR colors so much. I think all of those were stunning. Apple was going for a more like aesthetically like chill vibe. Let's get started because I still have to write 2.5 essays tonight. I don't even know how to go about like turning this phone on because there's no home button. I don't know if I'm a fan at the back it's like mirrored. I'm just gonna go through and kind of like set up. If you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby to automatically sign in. All right, to sign in. It's not signing in. Do I like press them against each other? Do I just set it up manually? It's so weird to be able to see like through the screen. Like no like lion figure in the middle. Face ID. Oh God, I better be looking my best. Okay, just based off that music, the government's definitely like using this to like do something sketchy. Choose how you want to transfer apps and data to this iPhone. I'm gonna do restore from iCloud backup. I can't see the verification code. Struggling. My ear is not okay. Light or dark mode? That's a real question. I think dark mode black is a little too black. I like a nice charcoal gray. In like 4th grade, I decided to make my contact for myself this. So every time that I like go to like do anything where it like needs my name, it always like automatically flips to that. And it's really embarrassing, but I think my phone's set up now. Oh my God. It's so weird. Everything's like downloaded. It's so weird seeing my background like on a different phone. Now it's like downloading everything. That's my iPhone. I'm gonna turn it off. So some of the major differences between this and the iPhone XR, the Apple sign is in the middle, and I really thought that I would not like that because it's kind of just like not the same, but actually it's really pretty. Walmart versus like Gucci or something. This is the size difference. Honestly, this one feels bigger for some reason, but the screen's like a little bigger on this one. Probably the one reason I like this like backing over like the like matte thing is because this is super slippery and this is like more like stickable to your hands. My dad like refuses to let me have like, he said he wouldn't get me a new phone unless I had a protective case. So I got this case. It's actually kind of cute. Like the color is kind of like pretty cool. I also got a glass screen protector. I'm gonna put my case on. Ooh, this is not cute. I haven't checked out the camera yet. You're literally joking. Oh my God, this camera is so good. What if I did the little zoom in? Oh my God. This, it's like a GoPro. Literally it's wide angle. That's whack. What if I click it again? I need to sell my GoPro. I literally don't need it anymore. Okay, I don't know if it's good or bad slow-mo. I don't take slow-mo. I don't think I always had front-facing portrait. Okay, natural light. Studio. Contour. Oh my God, I do not like that. I do not enjoy that. Stage. Hello. Stage like mono. High key. All right, wow. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to what's on my iPhone, because I'm gonna like rearrange my phone and everything, let me know by commenting down below and giving this video a thumbs up. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Again, I'm so appreciative that I got a new phone. Don't think I'm like trying to be spoiled or anything. But yes, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time I upload. Peace out.